Hey, kids, pack your bags. Today we signed us a hotel room to stay in for until the school year starts.
Wow, a vacation, I never thought of that.
I agree.
Pack what you need for your vacation.
Wow, I look so hot and sexy. I'm excited for our vacation.
Come on, everyone, we are going. Don't wanna be late. Also, he said he would donate a GameCube to a deli. Into my butt, that is. So I hope you enjoyed my show.
Wow, that show was so funny I might pee myself.
Me too.
I find it quite funny.
I see 2 kids and 1 adult having fun.
I see something. Is that for massaging the bed? Oh yeah, massaging and comforting. Ah.
Jaden, are you okay?
Oh yes, very massaging. Ah. Dude, why is this horrible music playing?
Because I listen to this when I fall asleep at night.
I can see you kids are up. Who wants to go to the beach? Well, that was fun.
Yeah, I agree. What?
School starts in 3 days, and we only stay here for 5 days. I thought school starts in about 1 week. We might have to go home.
Oh no, can you call our kids in here?
Well, okay. Kids, we might have to go home, because school starts in 3 days, because we said in a week, but it was 3 days, so pack your stuff, everyone. Well, that was lame. I did not know it begins in 3 days, so I am gonna have to buy stuff for the kids. Wait a minute, something does not feel